The Dewalt 18V battery combo kit by Xmenany offers excellent compatibility with a wide range of Dewalt cordless power tools, ensuring versatility and reliability for various tasks. With an impressive capacity of 4,800 milliampere hours, these replacement batteries provide significantly longer runtimes compared to standard options. The included fast charger features advanced technology and supports a broad voltage input range from 110 to 220 volts, allowing for a quick and efficient charging process. A robust protection system is built into the charger, offering safeguards like automatic cutoff in case of short circuits and temperature control to optimize battery life. The durable design incorporates a cooling system that effectively dissipates heat, ensuring stable performance and extended battery longevity. This combo kit stands out for its high performance and practical features, making it a valuable addition to any Dewalt tool collection.